friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see conjugation of verb haben. Okay, so what does conjugation means? Conjugation of a verb means to give different forms of a single verb. So today we'll see verb haben and how the conjugation of verb haben it happens with the personal pronouns. That we'll see it here, and we'll see today's video in a present tense. Okay, so we'll take verb haben and we'll see how it changes in present tense, right? So first we'll see some personal pronouns and how this verb haben it changes with them, that we'll see, and we'll see more sentences also to get the proper idea, right? So there is a actually separate shorts on my channel called personal pronouns. You can go through it. There I have explained in detail. Here just briefly I will tell you. Now ish meaning I. Then do is you. Then RGS meaning he, she, it. Where is we. Z and Z. This is like singular formal way, or it is singular informal way also. So it is like they also. And for if somebody is elderly or you don't know that person, so with respect you can say Z. Then ear. Ear is a actually informal and plural way. So these are the personal pronouns. Now we'll see how this verb haben it changes. So these are the different forms of verb haben that we'll see here. Now with ish, it will be habe, Habe. So ish, habe, I have. Then do, hast, Hast, you have, do, hast. Then with R, Z and S, it will be heart, Hat, heart. R heart, Z heart, S heart, like that. Then wir, it's haben, we have, wir haben. Z and Z, haben. Sie haben, they have, and you have with respect. Then ear ha. Ear is actually, it is informal but plural way. So there will be ha. Okay. So you have, for multiple people, you will say you have. Now we'll see few sentences, then you will get more idea. Now suppose you want to ask someone, do you have a book? Then it will be hast du ein Buch. Book meaning book. And hast du. If that person is friendly with you or of your age, you can ask like hast du ein Buch. You can refer to that person. You can call that person with du. Then the next one will be he or she has a phone. So it will be hat. Hat, ein, handy. Ein is a indefinite article. Or she has a phone, meaning sie hat ein handy. So here what is happening? The conjugation of verb haben will be hat. The form is hat here. Hat, hat. Then we have time. Suppose you want to tell someone. So it will be wir haben Zeit. Zeit meaning time. Wir haben. The form of haben will be haben only, the same. It will not change with wir. Then the next one is, suppose you want to tell multiple people, but it is like informal way. Then it will be you. Suppose you guys have no time. This is the English sentence. If you want to convert this into German, it will be ihr habt keine Zeit, meaning you all have no time. Then suppose you want to ask someone, suppose you don't know that person, then how will you ask? In English it is, do you have the paper? Okay. If that person, you don't know that person, okay, then you will ask, haben Sie das Papier? Right? Because you will call that person as Sie with respect. So in that case, the conjugation of verb or the form of verb haben will be haben only. There won't be any change. So these are the forms of verb haben in present tense. In some other video, we'll see this in future as well as past tense. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.